Bell peppers, also known as sweet peppers, are beloved for their mild, sweet flavor, vibrant colors, and high nutritional value. Not only a vital ingredient in cuisine, bell peppers also symbolize the creativity and sustainable development of agriculture in Asian countries. The journey from tender green shoots in the fields to plump, colorful peppers on dining tables is a testament to the persistence and ingenuity of Asian farmers. Bell peppers in Asian cuisine. Bell peppers are a staple ingredient in many famous Asian dishes, cherished for their subtle flavor and striking appearance. Vietnam, bell peppers are often used in stir-fries, hot pots, and salads. Their combination with seafood creates visually appealing and nutritious dishes. China. In the rich culinary traditions of China, bell peppers feature prominently in sweet and sour stir-fries, spicy Szechuan dishes, and grilled meat recipes. Thailand. In Thailand's diverse cuisine, bell peppers balance the spicy, sour, salty, and sweet flavors in curries and salads. Bell peppers in health. Bell peppers are considered a superfood, packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, and antioxidants. They help boost the immune system, improve skin health, and support eye health. Additionally, they reduce inflammation and promote cardiovascular health, aligning with today's healthy living trends. Economic value. Bell peppers provide a stable income for farmers and significantly contribute to the economies of producing countries. China. As the largest bell pepper producer globally, China not only meets domestic demand but also exports heavily to major markets like the US and Europe. Vietnam. With its temperate tropical climate, Vietnam is developing high-quality bell pepper cultivation regions, especially in Lam Dong and Dong Nai provinces. South Korea. High-tech farms in South Korea focus on organic bell pepper production, meeting domestic consumption and export needs. Planting bell peppers. Bell peppers are sensitive to climate and soil conditions, requiring meticulous care from the outset. Seed selection. Common varieties include red, yellow, green, and orange bell peppers. These varieties are bred for higher disease resistance and better yield. Soil preparation. Bell peppers thrive in nutrient-rich, well-drained soil. Farmers enrich the soil with organic fertilizers and loosen it to promote root growth. Seedling. Seeds are germinated in nursery trays and nurtured in greenhouses before being transplanted to the fields. Caring for the plants. The growth period for bell peppers ranges from 90 to 120 days, demanding close monitoring and care. Watering. Bell peppers require adequate but not excessive water. Drip irrigation systems are commonly used to conserve water and maintain consistent moisture. Fertilizing. Organic fertilizers and micronutrients are applied to ensure the plants receive sufficient nourishment. Pest control. Farmers prioritize biological methods over chemicals to protect the crops and the environment. Harvesting bell peppers. When the peppers reach the desired ripeness, farmers harvest them either manually or with modern machinery. Manual harvesting. Farmers gently cut the stems to avoid damaging the fruit while sorting the peppers directly in the field. Mechanical harvesting. Large-scale farms utilize machinery to speed up the process and reduce labor costs. After harvesting, bell peppers are carefully processed to maintain their quality. Cleaning. The peppers are washed with clean water or sanitizing solutions to remove dirt. Storage. Bell peppers are stored at temperatures between 7 to 10 degrees Celsius in cold storage facilities to prolong freshness. Processing. Some peppers are used in canned products, frozen goods, or value-added items like pepper powders and juices. The bell pepper industry in Asia has proven its immense potential through the integration of traditional farming techniques and modern technologies. High-tech applications. Many countries are adopting smart greenhouses and automated irrigation systems to maximize yields. Organic direction. Organic bell pepper production is becoming a trend, catering to the demand for clean and safe food. Market expansion. Asian exporters are seeking deeper penetration into international markets with high-quality bell pepper products. The journey of growing and producing bell peppers is an inspiring story of creativity and relentless effort by Asian farmers. From vast green fields to delicious dishes worldwide, bell peppers not only bring economic value but also promote the cultural identity of the region's cuisine. The success story of bell peppers in Asia reminds us that with perseverance and innovation, agriculture is not just a traditional occupation but also a key to sustainable and prosperous futures.